Exercise 7.4, question number 8. ABCD is a rectangle formed by the points A, B, C and D with the given coordinates. P, Q, R and S are midpoints of sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. Is quadrilateral PQRS a square, a rectangle or a rhombus? Justify your answer. So in this question we are given the coordinates of four vertices of rectangle ABCD. PQRS are midpoints of four sides of rectangle ABCD. A quadrilateral is formed by joining the midpoints of four sides of rectangle ABCD. We have to find whether this quadrilateral PQRS is a square, rhombus or a rectangle. Also we have to justify our answer. So here in this figure ABCD is a rectangle with the given coordinates. P, Q, R and S are midpoints of four sides AB, BC, CD and DA of rectangle ABCD. We have to find this PQRS quadrilateral is a square or a rectangle or a rhombus. The vertices of rectangle ABCD are A minus 1 comma minus 1, B minus 1 comma 4, C 5 comma 4 and D 5 comma minus 1. Points P, Q, R and S are midpoints of sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. Therefore, coordinates of P, which is midpoint of side AB, are minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2, and coordinates of Q, which is midpoint of side BC, minus 1 plus 5, 4 by 2, 2 comma 4 plus 4, 8 by 2, 4. Coordinates of R, which is midpoint of side CD, 5 plus 5, 10 by 2, 5, comma minus 1 plus 4, 3 by 2, 3 by 2. And coordinates of point S, which is midpoint of side DA, 5 plus minus 4, 5 plus minus 1, 4 by 2, 2, comma minus 1 plus minus 1, minus 2 by 2, minus 1. So these are the coordinates of midpoints P, Q, R and S. Now we have to decide this quadrilateral PQRS formed by joining the midpoints of sides of rectangle ABCD is a square or a rectangle or a rhombus. This we shall decide after finding the sides of the rectangle, and if required lengths of the diagonals of this quadrilateral PQRS also we shall find out. So let us find sides of this quadrilateral PQRS. So now PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is distance formula we are using here to find length of side PQ of quadrilateral PQRS. So equal to under root 2 minus 1, that is 2 plus 1 whole square, plus 4 minus 3 by 2 whole square. This is equal to under root 3 square plus 8 minus 5 by 2 whole square, and this is equal to under root 9 plus 25 by 4, which is equal to 61 by 4 units. So PQ we have got under root 61 by 4 units. Now QR is equal to under root 5 minus 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 minus 4 whole square equal to under root 5 minus 2 3 square 9 plus 3 by 2 minus 4 minus 5 by 2 whole square 25 by 4, and this is equal to under root 61 by 4 units. RS is equal to under root 5 minus 2 whole square, 5 minus 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 minus plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 1 whole square equal to under root 5 minus 2 3 whole square 9 plus 5 by 2 whole square again 25 by 4, which is equal to 61 by 4 units. SP is equal to under root 2 minus 1, that is 2 plus 1 whole square plus under root minus 1 minus 3 by 2 whole square equal to 2 plus 1 3 square 9 plus minus 5 by 2 whole square 25 by 4, which is again 61 by 4 under root units. So PQ, QR, RS and SP, all four sides of quadrilateral PQRS we have found under root 61 4 units. So 4 sides of quadrilateral PQRS are equal. So based on 4 equal sides, we can say that this quadrilateral can be a rhombus or it can be a square also, because in both the figures square and rhombus 4 sides are equal. But formally we cannot say whether this quadrilateral PQRS is a rhombus or it is a square. To decide it, let us find diagonal PR and QS. So diagonal PR is equal to under root 5 minus 1, 5 plus 1 6 square whole square plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 whole square. This is equal to 5 plus 1 6 square plus 0 square. So it is ultimately 6 units. Now the diagonal QS is equal to under root 2 minus 2 whole square. 2 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus 4 whole square, which is equal to 0 square plus 5 square is equal to 5 units. So diagonal PR is equal to 6 units and diagonal QS is equal to 5 units. So here in quadrilateral PQRS, 4 sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. So PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to SP. 4 sides of quadrilateral PQRS are equal, but diagonal PR is not equal to diagonal QS of quadrilateral PQRS. So therefore PQRS is a rhombus, and this is the